Megan, do you know what day it is? Wait, it's May already? That means Mother's Day is next week. Never fear, boys and girls, because I'm going to show you a couple different ways to make some paper flowers using things you have at home. Not only are they going to be handmade by you, but they will also last forever. So let's get started. Do I need to take you down and kick you out, or are you going to help me? Okay, you're going to help? All right. Oh boy. First type of flower I'm going to show you how to make is going to be made with coffee filters. Mr. Rauscher loves coffee, so we have a whole bunch of these. So I'm going to use these to make some colorful flowers. Now I can keep them white like this, but we can also add some color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half and then fold it in fourths. I'm going to do a couple of them. So I want a couple layers of my flowers. And you're going to use a couple coffee filters if for one flower if you want a really full one. Alright. Next what I'm going to do is take some washable markers and I'm going to color right on them. Now think about this as like a fourth of a flower, so you might have a different color in the middle and a different color on the outside. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I do want quite a bit of marker ink on my coffee filters. Once you're done adding color to your coffee filters, next you have to transfer all the color through the layers of coffee filters. So I have a piece of paper underneath just to protect my surface, and I have a spray bottle with some water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate the coffee filter. Now this is going to take some planning because you have to make sure that your coffee filters have time to dry before you make your flowers. Okay. Make sure you have quite a bit of water, don't be afraid. Now you're going to see already that the marker is kind of moving and soaking through the layers. So next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this dry. Once you have all your coffee filters, you can open them up and you're going to see the color has transferred to the rest of the coffee filter. The brightness of the color depends on how much marker you put on there, also how much water you spray on there. So if you spray too much water, a lot of the color will go away. If you didn't put enough marker on there, you might find that your coffee filters are very, very light. Once you have all of them, you're going to cut them into kind of some flower patterns. So I'm going to fold them back up and I'm going to kind of fold it in half again. And you can cut kind of like a little flower pattern in there, some petals. What you are going to do is take a pipe cleaner, you're going to stick it through the center, and I'm going to kind of curve this up so it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't slide up. And from the other side, I'm going to add my other two, just to make the flower a little fuller. And then what you can do if you want to kind of keep it up like this, you can see it's going to kind of naturally open up. If you want to keep it all tight together like this, you can use a little bit of tape, or you can kind of just wrap your pipe cleaner a little bit and open it up. If you don't have any pipe cleaners, I have a bamboo skewer. You're going to see that I kind of punctured through both of them. What I'm doing is gathering it and using a little bit of tape to attach and also bunch up my coffee filter flower. And there you have it, a coffee filter flower.